I survived 50 hours only eating gas station food, sort of. Hour 1 started off great where I met Liz. Her name's not actually Liz. I was too awkward to ask for her name, so I just searched on the internet generic white women names, and Liz was the first one to pop up. But it actually kind of suits her. Liz showed me all her go-to snacks.
Now these are really nice if you want a meal.
And then walked me over to her all-time favorite. I ate that up, and before I knew it, it was dinner time. I was pretty excited about this because I got to choose my favorite childhood snack. See this wheel here? Yeah, it determines what I'm eating at each gas station for the next 50 hours. Things were looking good as I sat and demolished my food. That was until hour 34, where the food I was eating was really starting to have an effect on me. Click here to watch the full video.